Are your Instagram stories not uploading? Stuck showing you this couldn't upload try again error? Well, if you have this could not upload try again issue where you can't upload pictures or videos to your Instagram story, follow a few ways to solve your problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open Setting. Scroll down, tap Additional Settings. Scroll down, tap Developer option. Scroll down. Now enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, help always mobile data on. After solving your internet issues, you need to remove the software bugs. Open Setting, scroll down to Apps, tap Manage Apps, look for the Instagram application, tap on it, now tap Other Permissions. Tap Change Wi-Fi Connectivity, choose Always Allow, go back and enable all settings from restricting data usage. Tap Battery Saver, tap No Restriction, tap Clear Data, choose a Clear All Cache, tap OK. After that, remove the Instagram apps from your background. Before you check your issues, make sure to update your Instagram app. After following everything, now if you still have problem, please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.